Right, well, I'm out today with this beautiful RSR inspired 911. It's based on a 1972 car, and let me show you around and just show you how special it really is. You can of course see the wide arches and the 17-inch Fuchs wheels, chosen because they're light and strong and they give you a greater choice of tyre. This is 225s on the front, and it also allows the 930 4-pot calipers with the vented discs and the drilled discs. And then on the back, on the rear, then we can go for again a much wider tyre, and this car needs it because in the back is the best part of 300 horsepower 3.2 on MFI, so mechanical fuel injection. Now let me show you that, because that's a work of art in itself. Glass fibre lightweight lid, mechanical fuel injection, beautifully built motor with twin spark distributor look, so 12 plugs, lightweight so-called tinware, so the glass fibre replaces the steel. It's almost clear, almost see-through. Twin coils up there. I'll see it's a dry sump car. Sounds absolutely fantastic. Non-sunroof, right-hand drive. 911 ST style rear lamps. Oil cooler in the front wing. Inside, it's got a bit of modern GT3 inspiration, so you can see the Alcantara with the stitching, black stitching going through, the lightweight door panels, lightweight handles, manual windows, Alcantara dash top look, Momo wheel, custom gauges with matching yellow needles with a rev counter inverted, so the red line is up. On top of that, we've got the Porsche classic stereo with navigation, the custom switches. And then you can't fail to notice that we've got a Hygo cage, German built cage that we installed ourselves, beautifully put together, fits gorgeous. And then you can see up here is the fire system, automatic fire system with the fire bottle down there, plumbed in system to FIA spec, as are the seats. The seats are retrimmed Recaro to FIA spec with Alcantara in the centre and black 6-point Schroth harnesses. It also has Renline floorboards. It has a special brake pedal covers, if you like. They give you a really nice and comfy. It's got the Wevo shifter. That there is the brake bias, so you can proportion the brakes forward and back to suit. The seats are actually on sliders, on Recaro sliders. And then in the back is fire system and the little safety gadget for breaking windows and cutting belts. Then it's also got the opening rear quarters of the original car. So this is one very, very special 911 that does what it says on the can, and on the can it says this stands out, goes like hell, and you can use it on the road or on the track. That's what we've got. It's a unique car, it's a one-off, and you cannot fail to be impressed. Something very, very special. Right, let's get in and go. Unmistakable sound from the MFI, and you can hear that the motor is swift as anything. Clutch is quite heavy, it's a paddle clutch if I remember rightly, with a limb slip in it. It's something to drive. If you want a car that's engaging, that's exciting, and that no one else has got, sign up here. Handles beautifully, stops beautifully, and sounds glorious.